Hi, everybody. A very good afternoon, and welcome to the Thoughtful Thursday today. So, today's Thursday is very special because today we are celebrating the Mother's Day special. So, I was thinking what to talk about, today on this Thursday so that, we can relate to the mothers. Then I thought, what better thing to talk about other than raising girls and boys these days? So, as the topic of today is that a whole generation worked to, raise empowered women, but forgot to teach their sons to live with those empowered women. So I'm very quickly going to, debunk what this topic means today, and I will tell you कि आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है उसका मतलब क्या है. So all of you will agree with me. आज जो भी mothers यहाँ पर हमारे साथ join कर रही हैं, I can see a lot of women already joining. So I want to ask all of you कि आप मेरे साथ agree करेंगे कि आजकल हम जिस तरीके से अपनी बेटियों की upbringing कर रहे हैं, it is very different from how it was done a few years earlier. In a very good way. I'm very proud of it that these days the definition of raising the girls has changed, and there are changing dimensions of raising girls. It has become so open now. Parents are allowing their girls to go out, to study, to pick a job, take major decisions of their life. आजकल लड़कियां डिसाइड कर पाती हैं कि उन्हें कहाँ पढ़ना है, किस कॉलेज में पढ़ना है, कितना पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, और कब शादी करनी है, किसके साथ करनी है, which is very good. That is a sign of a progressive society, because that's how women will be empowered, and that's how we will become equal to men. And that age old rift जो कि गर्ल्स और बॉयज में रहा है, उसको ब्रिज करने का यही तरीका है कि हम अपनी गर्ल्स को बहुत पढ़ाई करवाएं, जो भी वो करना चाहें, और हम उन्हें इंडिपेंडेंट बनाएं, which is a very good thing. But also there is one thing that these days it has become very popular, that you must have seen कि marriages aren't working very much these days. It has become so difficult to जैसे कि शादियां आजकल बहुत ही जल्दी टूट जाती हैं. There are a lot of divorces around, as you must be seeing in your own close ones, also amongst close ones. So it has become very popular that the girls don't want to marry. Divorces have become more common than we knew. Why is that? There are some people जो हमारे घर के बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं, वो कहते हैं कि लड़कियां आजकल पढ़ लिख कर स्मार्ट हो गई हैं, तो उनको अब शादी नहीं करनी है. Is it really because of this? I really want to ask all of you, क्या ये सच बात है कि हम लड़कियां पढ़ गए हैं तो अब हम शादी नहीं करना चाहते हैं? I have an opinion here. I think marriage is associated with a lot of loss for women. ठीक है, शादी लड़कियों के लिए बहुत सारे लॉस के साथ आती है. नंबर 1, शादी होते ही उनकी पूरी फैमिली उनसे छूट जाती है, उनके पेरेंट्स, उनके सिबलिंग्स, उनकी सिटी, जहाँ पर आप पले बड़े होते हैं, आप उस शहर से भी अलग तरीके का लगाव होता है. योर रूट्स आर अटैच्ड टू दैट प्लेस, टू दैट सिटी. देयर आर सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ फूड दैट यू लव, एंड यू हैव टू चेंज ऑल ऑफ इट. आपको अपना लाइफस्टाइल, आपके अपने कपड़े, आपको शहर, आपका कल्चर, योर फूड, एवरीथिंग चेंजेस. शादी के बाद सभी कुछ चेंज हो जाता है, राइट? सो अगर आप ईस्ट में से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप कोलकाता की किसी लड़की को एकदम एक्सट्रीम वेस्ट में कहीं आप राजस्थान में जाकर के बिठा देंगे, देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट फॉर हर, यू सी. बट द पॉइंट हियर इज दैट लड़कियों को पढ़ाने लिखाने से, अगर उनके पास अपना कुछ है करने के लिए, एटलीस्ट एक चीज़ उनके पास रहती है, फेमिलियरिटी की. उनकी अपनी जॉब, उनका अपना काम, एटलीस्ट दैट इज समथिंग दे कैन होल्ड ऑन टू. हर चीज़ चेंज हो रही है, पर एटलीस्ट उनका काम चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. प्लस वी नीड टू चेंज हाउ वी आर रेजिंग आवर बॉयज. the main point for today, the main matter of discussion for today is कि हमें अपने बेटों की अपब्रिंगिंग को चेंज करना है, क्योंकि आप लड़कियों के साथ तो सब अच्छा कर रहे हैं कि उनको लाइफ स्किल्स भी सिखा रहे हैं, ड्राइविंग सिखा रहे हैं, बाहर पढ़ने भेज रहे हैं, इंडिपेंडेंट बना रहे हैं, जॉब्स करने दे रहे हैं, सब कुछ करने दे रहे हैं, विच इज वेरी नाइस। लेकिन आप अपने बेटों को आज तक भी यही कहते हैं कि बेटा अब तेरी बीवी आएगी तब वही तुझे बना कर देगी, अब तेरी बीवी आएगी वही तेरा कबर्ड आके साफ करेगी, वही तेरे कपड़े संभालेगी, वही तेरी लॉन्ड्री देखेगी। सो ये चीज हमें चेंज करनी है। सो इट इज अ रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द मदर्स हु हैव सन्स, प्लीज चेंज हाउ यू आर अपब्रिंगिंग योर सन्स। यू मस्ट टेल देम कि अब पहले जैसी बात नहीं रही है, बिकॉज अगर आप अपनी बेटियों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, वो बाहर जाके काम कर रही हैं, तो वो भी थक रही हैं। घर आके उनसे वो सेम एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं करनी है आपको। आपको अपने बेटों को सिखाना है कि बेटा वो कंपेनियन है, वो तुम्हारी केयर टेकर नहीं है कि तुम्हारे लिए खाना तुम्हारी प्लेट में परोसेगी, तुम्हारे कपड़ों को धुलवा करके तुम्हारे कबर्ड में सेट करेगी। आपको इस तरीके की जो हमारा जो सिस्टम है उसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा। दैट इज वाई डिवोर्सेज हैव बिकम मोर कॉमन, दैट इज वाई द मैरिजेस आर ब्रेकिंग, बिकॉज देयर इज नो बैलेंस नाउ. The girls now who have become independent financially and emotionally, they think, why should we go through so much of loss? I mean, there's only loss for a woman in marriage, right? Because husband को जरूर companion मिल रहा है, but wife को क्या मिल रहा है? Wife को काम भी करना पड़ रहा है, plus she has to take care of her kids and the husband. So there is a lot of responsibility on the woman. So women these days are refusing to take so much responsibility. So today I want to call upon one of my colleagues, and she is the mother to a son. So she is a young mother. So I want to ask her that being the mother of a son, what does she think? कैसे अपने बेटे को वो सिखा रही हैं कि उन्हें किस तरीके से अपब्रिंगिंग करनी चाहिए अपने बेटे की. So this is something I want to ask Neha here. Neha, I request you to join us, please, and I want to know your opinion on how and what you want to do as the mother of a son. अपने बेटे को आप क्या सिखाना चाहती हैं जिससे कि हमारी जनरेशन चेंज हो जाए. Hi Neha, so good to see you.
Yes, hi Mehak. It's likewise, and I'm so glad that you have taken up this topic, which our society
I'm
needs
unable to
think.
hear you, Neha. Can you just bring up the volume? It's a bit low.
Okay. Is that better now?
I still have troubles listening to you.
Is that better now?
I can listen to you, but the volume is really low.
Okay. Let me just change my location.
Maybe you can join back again because I can't hear you.
Let me do that. Let me drop in.
Okay.
Drop by. Yeah.
So while Neha tries to join back again, I want to bring up one more thing that it is very common myth कि शादियां इसलिए टूट रही हैं because लड़कियां स्मार्ट हो गई है. लड़कियां स्मार्ट तो डेफिनेटली हो गई हैं, बट उन्हें ये पता चल गया है कि अब शादी में हमें बेवकूफ बनाया जा रहा है. The whole deal is that the men are getting not only a companion, but somebody to take care of them. I want to quote Sudha Murthy here. I was seeing this very, wonderful interview of Sudha Murthy where she was saying, do not expect your wives to be your mothers. Because mother आपकी जो थी वो सब काम करती थी क्योंकि वो बाहर जाके काम नहीं करती थी. ठीक है, अब वो घर पर आ रही है, आपकी वाइफ को आपने चूज किया है, who is working, who is on a good post. आप उससे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि वो आपकी मदर की तरह आपका खाना भी बनाए, सब चीज करे, which is very wrong. It is a very wrong expectation. So I want to request all the mothers here कि अपने बेटों को सिखाएं कि ऐसी कोई expectations बहुत ही unreal हैं ये expectations. Hi Neha.
Hi, I'm back. Am I better now? Am I audible? Looks like I'm audible to the audience.
Yeah, I still have that volume issue. I can't hear you properly.
Okay, let me just let me just change the settings.
Okay. So as Sudha Murthy, she's a very iconic lady, and I really believe in what she says, that it is very important that हम अपने बेटों को सिखाएं कि वाइफ से आप अपने मदर वाला काम एक्सपेक्ट मत करिए, बिकॉज टाइम चेंज हो गया है, डायमेंशंस चेंज हो गए हैं, सोसाइटी चेंज हो गई है, हर चीज चेंज हो गई है. यू कांट बी एक्सपेक्टिंग कि आपकी वाइफ बाहर जाके काम भी करे, आपको वैसे भी हेल्प करे, एंड देन घर आके वो सारा लोड शेयर करे. आई मीन लाइक ओके नेहा प्लीज.
Absolutely. In fact, I follow this legendary lady, and I appreciate. I really I have this spellbound expression when I listen to her, because she's absolutely right that we need companions. We can't be a mother to a full grown already. In fact, on the contrary, we need more of that attention, because we are leaving our parents, our city, as you said, for that matter, food. This is such an important thing for
Yes.
anybody for that matter. When the man says, तुम मेरी mother जितना tasty खाना नहीं बनाते हो.
Oh
So
yes.
when the man when the man can say that, what about the woman? She is absolutely leaving that
But they
comfort
never
zone.
say नेहा, but they never said कि तुम बहुत ज्यादा काम करती हो, तुम बाहर जाके बहुत अच्छा काम करती हो, या you're doing very good in your job. ऐसा कुछ हमें कभी नहीं सुनना मिलेगा.
Well, Mehak,
But अगर हम
I
खाना
would
उतना
say
अच्छा
that
नहीं बनाते हैं,
society,
that we will definitely hear.
absolutely, absolutely. But I would still say society is changing, although it has to change from the root level. Also, as I always out loud say that we need companions, and for that, the all the mothers right here who are listening to us, they need to know that we need to raise our male child in a certain manner, that we need to tell them that this is your duty as well to balance it. There's a new girl coming, so you need to protect her as well as the family. The balance is very important. मतलब वहीं से एक आदमी का काम भी शुरू होता है. शादी करके सिर्फ हमें बैठ नहीं जाना. She
Yes.
will come and she'll do it everything. The platter will be served. Here, you also have to put in the same efforts.
So absolutely आपने women को empower किया, but आपने ये नहीं बताया अपने बेटों को कि बेटा आजकल it is a shared responsibility. It's a responsibility to be shared. कि I'm forgetting the name of the very famous washing powder brand. I think it's Surf Excel or something that says share the load. They've made these wonderful advertisements. If you've seen, please go and check out those advertisements that share the load. There are so many questions around कि औरतें हमेशा परेशान रहती हैं, गुस्सा रहती हैं, because you're not sharing the load. उनको सारा काम करना पड़ रहा है. That is the cause of I think most quarrels or I would say disagreements in a marriage, because आपको बाहर का काम तो आप as it is कर ही रहे हैं जैसा कि आपको करना है, घर पर आकर भी आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन कम नहीं हो रही है, because you have to do that also, right?
Absolutely.
So मैं उन मदर्स के लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि आप प्लीज अपने बेटों को सिखाइए कि उनको अपने कपड़े खुद ही रखने हैं, खुद ही देखने हैं, अपना खाना खुद लेना है, बिकॉज आप काम कर रहे हैं, आपकी वाइफ भी काम कर रही है, राइट? सो जब तक हम ये रिफ्ट we will not bridge this gap, there will be a lot of differences in marriages. लड़कियां शादियों से भागती रहेंगी, डिवोर्सेस होते रहेंगे, एंड फिर भी ब्लेम लेडीज पर ही आता रहेगा, गर्ल्स पर ही आता रहेगा कि ये बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्ट समझने लगी हैं अपने आप को, इसीलिए ये शादी नहीं करना चाहती हैं.
Mehak, the ratio here is really imbalanced. The girls are really rising, the boys are stagnant. They're not able to rise because the pressure from behind is, I mean, there is no awareness from behind.
Yes.
आज भी पानी का ग्लास आपको हाथ में मिलेगा. So whereas जब बेटा घर आया थक के, तो पानी का ग्लास उसको हाथ में मिल सकता है, तो बहू को क्यों नहीं मिल सकता, या बेटी को?
Absolutely right. So Neha, as a mother to a son, what different do you do? I know he's just 2 years old, but is there anything different that you do? I mean, from the regular mothers?
Absolutely. I think this is not different, but I have not been gender biased. I'll give you a very small example. I add this, when I receive the gifts as kitchen set, I welcome it. I show it to him and he enjoys, because that is a way to play. Let him be introduced to these new things. If there is a doll at home, then why not? It's absolutely fine to play with that.
That's wonderful. That's a very good beginning, because you have told him right at the age of 2 years that kitchen is not, gender biased, and there is it's not gender specific. Men can equally participate in kitchen and cooking and all of that. Yes, actually you're so right. We started so early. हम लड़कों को cars दे देते हैं खेलने के लिए और लड़कियों को kitchen set दे देते हैं, which obviously means कि बेटा तुम्हें kitchen ही संभालना है और तुम्हें बेटा बस गाड़ी चला के बाहर ही जाना है. So we need to change that in the very beginning. That's all right. And being a young mother, that's so wonderful. I think I just hope you have inspired too many women today, because it is something that we need to change right from the start. And that's a very good start, I must say, Neha. And I commend you totally on how you've changed things for your son.
In fact, we have best of chefs as male only. You can just look around in the restaurant. You have best of chefs.
And I can tell you, audience, her son is a charmer. So with that combined with other skills like kitchen skills, he's going to be a very eligible bachelor, I'm telling you. So yeah. So wrapping up the session, Neha, is there anything you would like to tell our audience today on, you know, how to go about this new societal setting?
I would say, Mehak, that let us also empower our with women, empower our men as well. Let us also tell them that this is an equal job when we talk about equality. So let's start doing it from the beginning. That's about it.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you for joining us. It was such a pleasure to have you. And I hope more women get inspired, because our main target audience today is the mothers of sons, because बेटियों की मम्मियां तो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हैं. They should be, you know, they're doing a commendable job and they should be patted on the back for that. But please, all the mothers to sons, this is for you. We want your sons to grow up who can be compatible with our daughters, who are a new generation of empowered women. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you get some points from it. Thank you.